Hello, we are in After Effects now to show you how to use the Instagram Reels version 2. First, go to Final Comps. Here, choose one of these compositions. For example, I choose this one. Then go to the placeholder first, number 2. Here, drag your image inside the composition. Hide these two layers or delete them. Fit your image inside the composition. Then let's flip it horizontally. That's good. Then go to edit text, number 2. Select this composition and press enter to open them. For example, now change the price and let's see, shoe brand Nike. Here you can describe your product. Here, for example, I have 30% off. Maybe we can make it a bit bigger. 75 and see the animation. And that's it. By default, the duration of the composition is 30 seconds, and after you can trim your composition, you can reduce the work area and render it out by hitting Ctrl M, or go to composition panel here and this here, add to render queue here, or you can add to media encoder and render it out. Oh, hope you enjoy that, and thank you for watching.